In this short tutorial, you will learn how to transfer contacts from one Gmail account to another. This process is easy and can be completed in just a few simple steps. To get started, open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Google Contacts and tap on this exact app that appears in the results. Next, download and install the Google Contacts app. This app is essential for managing your contacts efficiently. Once installation is complete, open the Google Contacts app. Ensure you are logged into the Gmail account from which you want to export your contacts. To initiate the transfer process, tap on the Organize button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down a bit and tap Export to File. You'll now be prompted to select a location for saving your exported contacts.vcf file. Choose a folder or location that's easy for you to access later. Once you've selected where you'd like to save it, tap on the Save button. Your contacts are now being exported into a .vcf file format. Now that you've successfully exported your contacts, it's time to import them into another Gmail account. To do this, tap Import from File. You will see a list of available accounts where you can import these contacts. If you don't see the desired account listed here, simply tap where it says, Add another account. Follow any prompts needed to log into that second Gmail account. Select that account from the list, and then tap on the previously exported contacts.vcf file. The import process will begin immediately. And just like that, all selected contacts are now being imported. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.